Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create amazing thumbnails with AI for free. I show you guys how to do it. Open up Chrome and search ChatGPT. Select the ChatGPT site. Select try ChatGPT free. After opening the ChatGPT, check my video description for this text used in my video. For example, I'm gonna use my video title. Just copying the title and just paste in here, guys. In this next to title, paste the title and copy the text and go to ChatGPT and paste the text we copied. And now here ChatGPT gives a thumbnail ideas. We just need to copy the thumbnail idea you like. I'm going with the first one. Just to copy the thumbnail idea and paste it and copy the second text, guys. It will be in my description. Just copy and paste next to this and select. Now thumbnail prompt is ready. Just copy the thumbnail prompt and open up new tab and search ideogram, ideo, ideogram and select the first site. Continue with Google. Login with our Google account, guys. Now create the profile. Start creating. And now in describe what you want, paste the text we copied and in this aspect ratio, click on it and select this to 16 is to 9. After selecting it, select the generate option and 4 thumbnails will be generate right now, guys. After the generation complete, as you can see, 4 thumbnails are ready. Just select the image and select the download option. Same way for 4 image, download it. After downloading these 4 images, go to the downloads folder and here are the 4 images we downloaded and select the image that looks perfectly fine. In my case, I like this image, the second one. YouTube upload shots from PC, so I'm gonna change it to this thumbnail right over here. The second one, upload shots from PC, and that's it, guys. That's how you can create amazing thumbnail with AI for free. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.